All right, Joe. So I got your model over here. I made a copy of it. So this one is called Door Bearing Sketch Fix. And I'll show you what's wrong with what you're doing or what the problem that you're having with constraining sketch number 5. Um, and essentially the issue is you're not projecting the other geometry, the other edges onto the plane. So if we go into sketch number 5 and edit the sketch right here, okay, so we can see it off like that. Um, and I can see that you've made your sketch plane this front surface right here, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But what we want to do now to get this locked in is we want to project the geometry behind it that we're going to use onto the sketch plane. So I'm going to project this, and I'm going to project this. I don't need to project that. And I'll say OK. And now look at what we have. Okay, so what we did right there is we projected this edge and all these other edges onto the sketch plane. And what that allows us to do is it gives us a framework from which then we can constrain our model. So we can say we want, let's see, we actually want this corner right here to be coincident with that corner, and I think that did it. So you weren't able to just constrain it to geometry that was not projected in the plane, and so we have to get that geometry onto the plane. And the way we do that is with project, or in some cases intersect. Intersect is used if we have curves and we want to project it onto the surface. But in this case, there are no curves that we want, so project is what we do. And then you can see it draws, it creates or copies, projects the geometry onto the sketch plane, and then we can use these points and these edges to attach or constrain our the sketch that we're trying to do. So that looks like it's fully constrained, and in fact it gets a little triangle right there, so I can finish my sketch, and then that's it. Okay, so I'll send this to you, and I'll also upload it to YouTube so that you can see it. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.